and the probe is currently it is loaded is 2 by 60 mm underscore 70. This is the TP20 EM1 standard probe. So first of all, you go to the auto vector point, take a one point anywhere on the part and just click on create. So one point will be created here, and you can see in the command window here. Second point on the second area here somewhere and create. Third one here and just create it. So you will got 3 points on the surface of a part. By using this 3 point, you have to construct the plane. Constructed plane, select it and select all the 3 points and create a plane. So this will be our plane 1. You can see here in the triangular shape, this is our plane. Then we have to measure the circle. So go to the auto circle, just click on the edge of a circle. Here by default 3 points I have taken, 3 points, and currently no any sample hit here, 0. So with this 3 point, we have to take 3 points inside the circle, not at the edge of a circle. Currently the probe is on the edge. So I will bring down inside the hole with the help of giving the value on the z axis. Suppose I give minus 4 mm. So probe will move inside the hole up to the 4 mm depth. The diameter by default it will come 15 mm. What is the diameter of a CAD? And it is a inside circle. And just create it. So this circle 1 is now created. This one. And then go for the next circle which is in the, it should be in the same line. Click on that and bring this circle inside the board, inside the circle. So just give your value minus 4 mm and then simply create it and close it. So we have now 2 circles, circle 1 and the circle 2. So with the help of constructed line, we'll select these 2 circles, circle 1 and circle 2, 2D line. So one line will be created in between circle 1 and 2 and just create it. So according to fundamental of the alignment, we require the plane, axis and anywhere in the whole origin. So we'll go for the alignment, manual alignment. Go to the insert, alignment and new. So here you can select a plane, top plane, plane 1 for the level. So the direction of plane is in the Z plus. So we'll select Z plus. No another axis should be selected. Select Z plus. Just simply click on level. So the top face now will be leveled or parallel with reference to the CMM bed or granite plate. Now use, first of all, we create a origin inside any of the circle 1 or 2. So currently origin of this part is here in the corner. We'll shift inside the circle 1. So for that you have to select circle 1, click on X and Y because every circle or any feature has a 3 axis, x, y and the z here. So virtually we know that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Looking towards this dihorse, this is x, y, and if we see from the top, z will not be seen like this. So just only click on the x, y and just create the origin. Click on the origin button. So now origin is shifted from this corner to circle. Now we have a plane. To create the origin on the z on the plane, just select plane 1 and only just click on the z square block and just click on origin. So here z will be our 0. So probe will start from here, then it will go on the z plus side, 3, 4, 5 in the positive side. So this way we have aligned the plane and construct the origin. We have created origin here in circle 1, and now last one is we'll select line for the rotation of the part. We'll see from the top side from the z plus. So easily you can see the part is lying here like this. So here you will see the line which is we have constructed, it is in the x plus. So always keep the direction according to the creation of our line. So we have created the line in the x plus. So we'll always keep rotate to option, always keep x plus. Any another axis will not allowed. Click on x plus and about. We have to rotate this x plus axis about the z plus. That means the part will be parallel with reference to CMM x-axis. This is x-axis. So part will be aligned perfectly. Virtually alignment we are doing that. And finally, just after setting this, just create on rotate, and after this the tire will be stopped to move. Finally click OK. So this is our manual measurement which we have to do when the new part will come, physical part. Currently we are creating the program on the CAD model. And this is up to start from here, it is a manual mode. So we can give this name alignment as a manual, MAN. Okay, so we can give it manual alignment, MAN, you can write down. Immediately after this, just click on the here somewhere on the program mode. We have to find out. Here is a program mode. Just click on the program mode button. Now for the instruction to the operator, currently this probe is inside the hall. So we have to give some instruction like this. Go to the insert, report command, comment. Comment can be given to the operator, report or whatever, but we are giving the comment for the operator. So you can write down in comment area like this, move probe in Z plus or plus Z, DCC will start, means automatic program will start. So just click here on the OK button. So this comment will be seen during the program. After this you have to select the DCC mode, because from here everything will be automatic. So click here DCC and then According to the size of the hole, we have to give the preheat and retract dimension inside this our program. So go to the insert, parameter change, measurement distance, preheat and the retract. We have to come here 2 times. One by one we select preheat and then retract. Preheat. So by default there is a preheat distance is 2.54 mm. That means the probe will stand before taking a point 2.54 point away. Now go to the again insert, parameter change, measurement distance and retract distance. Here also after taking this point, it will come back to 2.5 mm. So this way you can give the preheat and retract. Okay. So this is the way you can give this basic steps to run the program in the CNC mode. So now what we have to do when we'll go for the another circles and plane or whatever features we are measuring, we allow the probe to move on the upper side and go to the another circles to measure this circle 3, 4 or here also you can measure 3 and 4. So this way you can do it. But currently we have done the manual alignment, so we have to remeasure the same plane on the top. Circle 1 is here, we'll again check it here, one circle 3 and then circle 4. So again go to the auto vector point. Okay, before that we have to make a clearance plane. So how much it should be go up and down. So that we can select from this. First of all we have to go, okay, so we will allow this probe to move up and down, so we have to give some height for the Z height. So go to the insert, parameter change and give the clearance plane. So after clicking that it will show you a window. Axis is Z plus, that means we are allowing the probe to move in the Z plus in some particular height more than the our maximum height of a part. So here I will put 30 mm. So up to 30 mm it will move and then only go to measure the next feature. Pass through plane, keep it as it is 0. Just click on the clearance plane active on. We have to do it. After that we have to click on the apply button, click OK. So now CMM has a value which has been given as a movement in Z plus. So now from the very beginning same thing we'll do it. Okay, I'll take instead of 3 points I'll take 4 points. So click on this auto vector point, take a 1 point here, again just create, second here, create, third point here and then create, and somewhere here fourth point. So in the DCC mode you can take multiple points, but for the example I have taken only 4 points on the plane. So just recreate a constructed plane. Now select newly generated points, these 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4 points are selected, and just create. So again the new plane will be generated and that will be our plane 2. Then after similar way, select the auto circle, click on the same circle. Here by default 5 point is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are there. So we can reduce or increase here with the help of this hits column. So bus you can click on this measure button, it will be increase the points. If you want to reduce the point, you can click on that. So for the purpose of training, we'll put only 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the depth will give as 0. Why 0? Because currently points are showing inside, but we can't see the circle in the dark uh, view. So for the purpose of that, I have kept depth is 0. I will give that depth from Z value here. So probe is now on the edge. I'll give the depth from here. So I'll give here -5 because earlier we have given 4 mm, -4 mm. So just click on the create button. Here also one sample hit is given. So I will remove that sample hit from context sample hit. Instead of 1, keep it as 0. So only 4 point will be taken inside the hole. Just create it. Similar way, go to the again on the same circle and just take 4 points, and sample hit should be always 0, and for the depth we can give the value here in Z -5. So our new circle will be generated below the earlier circle. Create. So there are new circles, circle 3, circle 4. So again similarly what we have done earlier, construct a line. Now we'll select circle number 3, which is just we have created. Circle 3 and 4, 2D line, create, close, and then after again go to the alignment. So just I will hide this all feature label so everything will be clear here. Now go for the insert, again go for the alignment, new, select the plane 2 now instead of plane 1. Again you have to level in the Z plus this plane, then select again the circle 3 on the same area earlier which was we have done the origin in circle 1. So here now we have to take circle 3 and just click on X and Y origin, and for the Z we have a newly generated plane 2 and just click on the Z and click on the origin. So again the same alignment has been done here, and the last one is select line 2. Similarly, the direction of the line 2 is also in the X plus. So here in the rotate area, rotate to X plus because we have generated line in the X plus about Z plus, and just click rotate and click OK, and just every time make a habit to save it. The program is now saved up to here. So this alignment has been done. This is alignment 2. Earlier it was 1, and this is this alignment we can give the name as a DCC. Why? Because everything is in the DCC mode, because we have already activated the DCC mode. So everything will be run after the manual points, everything will work in the automatic mode. So for the purpose of whether we have done correct programming or not, so we have to take a one trial with the animation mode. So just on the keyboard press the Ctrl A and just right click to see the collision detection. Go for the collision detections. So probe will move automatically. Before starting to the on the physical part, we have to make always ensure that the collision detection, whether the probe is hitting somewhere else or whatever it will done, we can see here. Just click on the collision detection. So this blue line shows the path of a probe. So the probe will become here, and then now everything will be working. If there is a problem, the collision list will show you there are some heating problem or some collision is there, but currently we do not have any collision during the taking of the all features. Close it. After this, you can go to the our actual physical part, place the part accordingly this position, and run the part for the at least this step number 1. And for the another circles, now you can go for the measure the all circles which are we are currently here, all the features. I'll show you for the at least this 2 and another circles. Again go to the auto circle. Just simply now select on the edge, and the 4 points are by default is there because earlier we have already set. Depth is always keep 0. For the depth you can give the value here -5 mm. Just create it. So circle, new circle 5 has created. Here next same way, give the value in the z -5 and just create. And also these two circles holes are there. Just click on this big bore. Currently it is on the edge. So here I will give the depth in the form of z -5 or -3. So we can make the two circles to create a cylinder. So I will, for the example, I'll give the -3, and the diameter of this circle is 60.5 inside circle, and just create. Again we'll click on the same circle on the bore, and I will bring down furthermore below it from z value, give the z value -8 up to the depth and up to the length of our prop. So just click on the create, close it, and then to construct a cylinder you can have a method. I want to show you the method how to construct a cylinder. So go for the constructed icon, constructed cylinder, select first circle 8 and then circle 7. So what happened? The z axis will be, the cylinder will be in the z plus always. So try to make the cylinder in the z plus only. That's why I have selected circle 8 first and then circle 7. So axis of the cylinder will be generated in the z plus. And this is the inside circle. So just click on the create button. So up to now we have done this. Now we will create a second cylinder with the same method. Go for the auto circle, just click on the smaller bore, and this bore is of 44 mm dia. So here currently it is from the face, it is at the -15 mm. So I can change, instead of 15 mm minus, I will keep -18, so it will come down a little bit. And just click on the create button. Second circle on the same bore I will take, and only I have to give the value here increase. Earlier we have given 18 mm, now I will keep -22 mm, little bit lower. Create, close, go to the constructed cylinder, cylinder 10, circle 10 first, and then circle 9. Here also you can select, or from this list also you can select, create, close. That's it for today. So again we'll run our collision detection to understand, to see whether any collision in the newly generated features or not. Okay, so let's go to the keyboard, press the control and then press the A. It will select all. Just right click, go to the path, collision detection. So now every features will be in the automatic mode. It will run. So collision mode is very much important before running this program on the physical part. So to understand where collision will be occurred. So up to this for today, up to this enough for that. So next video I will put again for the another type of clearance cube construction, and how to measure this cylinder directly, how to measure sphere, cone and curve, and another all the area of a hole or plane. So was the subject on the only one direction, on the Z plus. In the next video I will show you how to create a clearance cube to measure the part all around the area, front, side, back side, left hand side. So in a single program you can measure a part in the all from the all the directions. So that's it. Just subscribe this video, like it, share it, and hit on the bell icons. And again, welcome in the next video for the further information and the techniques for the construction or creation of a program in the CAD model. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.